Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with my top 5 favorite highlighters. I'm going to be showing you all my favorite highlighters right here and what brushes I like to use to highlight and glow to the gods. Hashtag glow to the gods. These are in no particular order. I have stuff for the girls and boys who like to be glowing to the gods and blinding, like boom, shooting out to space. And then I have the subtle, nice, natural glow for you guys who want to get all natural, snatchural. If you want to know my top 5 favorite highlighters and why I like them and why they're great and why you should buy them, then let's get started. All right, so my first favorite highlighter, and y'all already know what's coming up, and like I said, this is in no particular order. Who is she? This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in collaboration with Amorezi. I don't know if I'm saying the name right. Okay guys, I don't know if I'm saying the name right, but guys, you see how beautiful she is? Like, girl, I've already dug into her, as you can see. Okay, I am not wearing this highlighter today, but that's all right, girl, because I got a lot to show you. Okay, I already have a review, so you can check it up top right here. You can go check it out up here for my review, but I just want to touch on some points really quick. So after I did my review on this highlighter here, I did go and check some other channels out, especially women of color, because I had made a statement on my channel and in that video saying that this highlighter may not look good on some skin colors, and actually they make it work. Like, guys, it looks really good. It looks really fabulous. So I'm gonna go back to saying this looks good on everybody, because when I saw it on like the nice like chocolate girl, like it looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh, going back on my work, guys, this looks beautiful on every skin tone. I was watching a video from Kathleen Lights, and she was talking about how packaging is really important, and I realized that with a lot of the product and things, and it really matters. Like, products and packaging and things like that is really important. So like having something look beautiful like this, it's really eye-catching, and not only that, but it's nice, it's sleek, it's chic, deaky, it's beautiful. It doesn't emphasize texture. It is like for the blinding girl. So if you want a highlight that is blinding and sickening to the gods, then you need to try this out. But let me stop rambling about this. Just go check out my video up above here, and y'all can check it out, or it's gonna be in the description down below. So yeah. Next, there's a bed over here. By the way, the brushes that I like to use, obviously ABH, hello, come through. This is the A23 from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is good to pick up highlighter and just distribute it. It is a nice like natural fiber hair about rush. It blends it out really nicely, and if you just hold it at the end right here and you just go boop boop boop, beautiful, beautiful. Love this brush, love this product. It's so good. These two together make dreams come true. Next, if you all want a blinding highlight, so I'm gonna talk about two at the same time. They're very similar, but I'm gonna talk about one first. So this right here, I keep saying the name wrong, but it's such a good highlighter. Promise you, it is one of my favorites. So this is the, and I'm gonna read it on the back so y'all know, the Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter. I keep calling it Heavenly Hues or whatever. It's wrong, okay? Heaven's Hue highlighter. Guys, it's a putty. This is such a beautiful highlighter. Not only that, but it is a putty. It is freaking cool. I already talked about this. Okay, I already talked about this, guys. But it's such a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. It is a nice... Hello? Who is she? Anyway, it is such a beautiful highlighter. It makes your skin look wet. It makes your skin look dewy. I've already talked about this in a favorites video because it's so good. It's a cool putty texture, so that is very important to me. The color is a nice champagne color, so it's good for most skin types and stuff. I don't want to assume that it's not good for everybody, okay? Because I do not have a deeper complexion, nor do I have a very, very pale complexion. So I can't tell you if they look good on those. I assume they do because this is a beautiful highlighter. Not only that, but they have different shades. So if you use the more bronzy one on like people of color, it will look good there too. What I like about the color is that it's champagne. It's not too pink and it's not too beige or anything. It just looks like fabulous. It's beautiful. It's like, I like that it makes your skin look dewy, but it also makes it look like blinding at the same time and natural. And just go watch my video up top. You'll know. What I like to use to apply these type of highlighters, these putty highlighters, because they're like almost kind of like a cream, I like to use foundation brushes. Girl, I know some people don't like these highlighters, but the way you apply them is either you use a sponge, which I don't like doing because I think it's kind of gross putting a wet sponge in there and going in on your face. But what I like to use is something with a synthetic hair. So I have here the Real Techniques Essential Foundation Brush, and this I will just put it on the tops of my cheekbones and stuff, and it will just apply it because it is a wet product. It's more of like a wet creamy product, so you could just apply it in those areas and it'll place it in nicely. It's like if you were putting on cream foundation foundation. So there you go. You done learn a book today, y'all. And I have another one. This is an e.l.f. brush. I don't know what kind of brush this is. It's a natural fiber brush, and not only that, but it is pointed and you get in your areas too and things like that. If you want to do a highlight down the bridge of the nose, these brushes are good to use. Not only are they good to use with that highlighter, but I'm gonna segue over to the next highlighter, and this is the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek, and this is in the shade Wisp. Again, we are a putty. Hello putty, come through putty. This one is really nice, especially when you got a tan. If you're my complexion and stuff, it's a nice, like a deeper golden color, so not as bright as the Morizy highlighter, but this is definitely like beautiful. It's kind of almost has like a shift, like it's like pink but then it's like gold. You can't really see in the pan, but it's really nice. I like that it's the slim packaging and things. The only thing I don't like is that lid. This pops off, it's gone forever. I'll never see it again. Goodbye lid, but it's here. The only thing I gotta say about this is I do see a little bit of micro glitter in there, but it's like micro glitter. Let's get over it. It's a really, really nice highlighter. I definitely approve of this. Not only that, but it's super inexpensive. I think I already had this in the favorites actually, but I'll talk about it again because I can't stop using it. It is only $8. Guys, check it out. It's really great. You can buy this at Sephora now. And I think they already started carrying this at Ulta, so check it out. Next, and a lot of people talk about this highlighter, okay? And it is really, really inexpensive. I forget how much it costs, but it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful highlighter. This is the Essence Pure Nude highlighter here, and they actually have names, which this one is called Be My Highlight. Didn't even know that. I just thought it was the Pure Nude. This one is the polar opposite to all the other highlights that I've talked about today. It is so natural. Like, look at the pan. It looks like a translucent powder, right? But no, it is a highlight, and it is a beautiful highlight. I got lipstick on my hands, but look, it gives the skin like a nice like luminosity, but it's not doing too much. This is a great dupe for some of the highlighters from Hourglass because it doesn't give you a ton of shine, but what it does is it almost filters out your face and makes it look smooth and makes it look like, you know, you're glowing under dim lights and things. Very natural, super cheap, and it doesn't emphasize texture. That's all I gotta say. Beautiful. Next, and last but finally not least, okay, this is probably one of my favorite highlighters in the existence of the world, and this is the NARS highlighter in Hot Sand. I freaking, first of all, I gotta say, I'm really excited for the new highlighters that NARS just came out with. I'm gonna pick them up whenever I get the chance. This highlighter, I freaking hate, first of all, I freaking hate the Albatross highlighter. It's like a goldy, shifty. When you look at the pan, it looks white, but then when you shift it looks gold. Sounds beautiful, right? No, the formula is total crap, but this one right here is freaking gorgeous. Like, it's just the most beautiful. Like, I'm wearing this today. So this is like a step up from the highlighter that I just talked about. Of course, it's more expensive, but it gives you that natural glow. Like, your face has like a natural dewiness to it. That's what I'm gonna keep saying with all these highlighters. It just makes your face look like amplified. It makes it look more extra. Now, this is more for like the, you know, lighter skin tone. This is not gonna work on darker skin. I'm gonna tell you that right now because this is the color of my skin. It doesn't emphasize texture. It doesn't have any micro glitters or anything. It is just the smoothest looking powder. It goes on really well. One of my favorite brushes that I like to apply my highlighters with is the Morphe M510, and this you just go, you know what, I'm gonna dip it in because these brushes were untouched, you know, when I brought them with me here, but it's just like the most beautiful. I'm wearing this today and it just gives you like the most beautiful, perfect glow and things. It's just like, I don't know what to say about it. It's beautiful. It's like my everything. It's not glittery. No one likes glitter on their face unless you go into Coachella trying to listen to Beyonce. And they're really good for like a no makeup day look. So you could just wear them and it'd be like, oh, I look natural. I'm just a little sweaty, but like good sweaty, like beautiful sweaty. I don't know what that means. All right, that's it. All right, guys. So these are my top 5 current favorite highlighters from everywhere. Drugstore, high-end, whatever you want. In my opinion, I think they are the best. I don't know if you saw from the trend here, but not only do they make your skin look nice and naturally beautiful, but they're also like blinding. So I got a little bit of something for everybody, so y'all can check it out. I highly recommend all these products here. Leave a comment down below if you tried these highlighters before and what you think about them and stuff, and let's have a discussion. Let's talk about this, guys, and spread my love for makeup because I love talking about makeup everywhere I go. I'm like not in my current scene right now, but I love talking about makeup and I'm gonna keep doing it, okay? So if you like this video, please give me a a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social media down below right here. And ding ding, hit that notification bell because your girl makes new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. And I'm gonna read it on the back so y'all know from Annabelle. I almost threw up. You see my peach fuzz. Guys, are you feeling this blue lip right now? Because I am.